Hello, this is my Gsxr 75007 and I am doing an exhaust switch from the stock to the titanium black series 2 brothers. So let's see what it sounds like before and after. Okay. Alright, now we're going to remove the stock exhaust. You have 4 bolts. You got this one, the one connecting it to the pipe, and these 2. 1 and 2. No, not that one. Right there. That one. Okay, I got all the screws out now. Now I'm going to remove the muffler. See if you can see that. Yeah. Cool. Oh, and I put the blanket underneath just in case, so don't scratch it, because this is a good muffler. There, and that's it. Well, that was easy. Really heavy. Now, just for fun, I'm gonna start her up. I know it's not good for the engine, but I won't do it too long. It's probably gonna annoy everyone in sight and probably gonna scare me, but let's do it. Hey, so I accidentally forgot something, that you do need the bracket here, whatever it's called, to help support the muffler. And to do so, you need to use the foot clamps. And with that is this longer screw here that you just simply put in. Because I am kind of taller, I was actually going to move these down anyway, so now it gives me a good opportunity to do that. Oh, and also don't forget to put your screw tightener or Loctite on the screw, just because it helps it so it doesn't come off ever. And yeah, so I'm just gonna move these down to the bottom and also put the long screw in so that way it attaches to the space or the extension arm here. And yeah, so I'm gonna go do that right now. Alright, a little frustration. I don't know, but like the bolt got stuck in this one and I turned it and it snapped off, but luckily I had another nut that fit it perfectly. I just put some more of the Loctite on there and that should be good. Alright, now it's time to fit everything on. Also, I had fit this on loosely before I had tightened it down like that, and now I'm going to proceed to put the muffler on. Okay, now it's all on, it's all tight. Everything looks good. There it is. Now, before you start it up, you need to make sure to wipe down the exhaust completely. Just because after first startup, whatever fingerprints or smudges that are on there will be burned into the metal. So it's very important that you wipe everything down and make sure everything looks really good just before you start it up. And then after you do that, don't touch it. Nice. Alright, I'm gonna wipe it down and I'll start it up. Okay, now we're gonna start up the bike and see how she sounds.